Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So in this session I am going to explain about the process of purchase order accruals in SAP system. So basically this purchase order accruals is an application which is this option is enabled in SAP S/4HANA 1809 version onwards. So this application will enable you to calculate and post the accruals in general ledger accounting automatically. Okay, so the relevant data is transferred from the material master component to the accrual engine and automatically converted from purchase order items to accrual items. Okay, so today in this session, I will explain all the end user activity after the configuration, the baseline, how the configuration, what are the activities the end user will perform. In next session, I will explain all the configuration steps. Okay, so uh, one second. Yeah, these are the end user transactions. So first of all, we will be having display accrual objects. Here we can see against this accrual object what is the value and what is the posted value. Those all planned cost, actual cost we can see. And with the help of this proposed periodic amounts, we need to execute this program. If any values are there for that current period, it will automatically system will post. And after posting proposed periodic value, we have another person, the account department will review. If any changes are there, they will change and they'll update the comment and they will approve it, review it, mark it as review, and then it will go to their superiors like managers, and they will check all the details and they will approve it. And then once it is approved, then we will be the end user will be executing the periodic run with the help of this transaction code. Then the actual entry will be posted, like and the actual entry will be posted, and that entry will be reversed on next accounting period, the first day of the accounting period. So before going into this step, let me create one purchase order. So to create the purchase order, I'm accessing the transaction code MA21N. Okay, this is my supplier, purchase organization, purchasing group, and company code. Okay, and then item. Here I'm mentioning delivery charges. Okay, let me mention professional fees. Okay, let me close this one first, and then pivot quantity I will take it as 10 each. Delivery date and net price, material group and plant. Okay, and then this is asking okay, then account assignment. Okay, now we have to make sure we have updated the delivery schedule as per our requirement. So for this, first of all, I will maintain 31st August true quantity, then five quantity, then the remaining three quantity. To use the purchase order accrual functionality, we have to enter this delivery schedule based on the quantity, what is the delivery date we have to maintain. Then only system will consider this PO in the purchase accrual objects. So now I am done with the purchase order. Then I will be saving this purchase order. So this is my purchase order 450000 5 times 0 and 390, and let me display here. Now I will go to display accrual objects transaction code. Just copy this one and open another session. So here you can see this is my purchasing order and purchasing doc item 10, and start life 31/8/2024 and ended 31/10/2024. Here we can see actual cost is 10,000 and planned cost is also 10,000. Okay, now we displayed this one. Now go back and go to second transaction code, propose periodic amounts. Just select this transaction code, put it here, and then here I'm using a date period first and display run, and my accrual object is 90. I'm executing this in test run only. So here we can see one success message we have. The last day of period is 31/8/2024 and number of postings accrual 1, message exceed, maximum category success this one, processing status is testing run. So here you can see that my component is POCA for purchase order accrual. This is my company code and this is my accrual object, nothing but my purchase order. And here you can see accrual sub object 10. As you can see here, we have only one line item. So if we have multiple line items, it will show the multiple line items for that. And this is my accrual item type, and okay, once again, okay, this is annoying me. Okay, here you can see this is the periodic amount transfer 2000. Here you can see in the delivery schedule. So for the 31st August, I have mentioned the two quantity. So for against that two quantity only, system is taking at 2000 for each quantity, each unit 1000 INR. So it's calculating 2000. If you come here all the way here, so here you can see the message type display. So here you can see review type, review status, and review type. Review status is N. It means not reviewed. The status is still it's not reviewed. And review type, here you can see it's showing as E, review required. So if it is B, not review required, this one also N also not review required. A means automatically reviewed. If this option is there, we have not configured that option. So I have maintained the configuration like more than 10 INR, the review is required. So that's why it's coming for the review. And now come one step back here. Okay, why this is okay, I will put it here and remove the test run and then click on execute here. Now you can see message, you can see the messages from here. Component, application component POCA demo, copy company code is demo and purchase object, and this here you can see the message accrual amount for the object has been proposed. The amount has been proposed. Now we have two more steps, review and approve. So for that, go one more step back, and now go and use the transaction code review periodic accruals. Just use this transaction code to review the item. So here, okay, So here you can see if you have manual accruals, you need to select this one. This is now our scenario is a purchase order accrual, so I'm selecting this one, and this is my company code. And the date, last period of date, I am selecting as 8 for the testing purpose. And then I will be mentioning the accrual object here. Okay, this is my accrual object, and then click on execute here. Now you can see here the company code and accrual item type, and this is my same purchase order and pivot item. And if I scroll here, the start date of this accrual is 31/8 and end is 31/10. Net value is 10 and total amount incurred is also 10. Now the planned cost is 2000 and revised cost in transaction 2000 and accrual amount is 2000 here. This is in editable mode. Here you can see if you want the amount is below than 2000, you can change it. Once you have make the changes, the reviewer changed the value, he needs to update the comment here. The why he has adjusted the reason has to be mentioned, like we have two reasons. Either we need to select, and here he needs to write the comment. Okay, once everything is fine, then we need to select as a amount reviewed. Then just a second, yeah, once it's selected as the amount reviewed, then you need to select here and then set as reviewed. Select this set as reviewed, and then system will show you your selected object have been set as reviewed. Then you need to save it, then only it will be updated in the system. Okay, now you can see data is saved. Now come back, one more step back. Now go to the transaction code which is for approval. Okay, and then here also same, I am changing the date. Yes, so I will be selecting my accrual object, this one, and then click on execute here. Again, here you can see all the details, same details here you can see, and all the way to your right. So once a reviewer is done, your approver also, he can also update the amount value if required. If not, directly come here and select this amount approved, and then same select this one and click on approve or reject. When you click on reject, it will go back to the reviewers for his again he will review, and he will again he need to send back. So in my case, I'm going to approve this one. Your selected object has been approved. Then click on save here. Data is saved. Now go one step back, one more step back. Now go to the last step, which is a periodic run. Copy this periodic run transaction code and enter the here. And now again date and select the accrual object and select the test run. If you want this should be reversed on the first day of next period, just select this one, and then I'm executing in test run now. Just click on execute here. Here you can see last day of the period is 31/2 and number of processor item is 2, because one is for the actual entry, another one is for the reversal for the next period of first period of next period. Here you can see the test run, and if I go here, system will give you all the details of that. If you have segment, fund center, commitment item, all this will automatically derive. And here for my case only cost center is there, so cost center is coming here, and then So this is the reversal document, so that's why here we have the tick mark reversal. Okay, so you can see here, as per the month end, as part of the month end, it's posting on the end of the month, and it's reversing on the first day of the next month. It should be reversed, but actual value date, this one. Okay, let me post and I will show you the document. Just remove the test run and click on post. So again we can see here to success. To check the document numbers, here we need to click on message here. Now here you can see ending with 22 is normal posting and ending with 23 is a reversal. We will check here. Go to a B03 transaction. So I'm displaying the 22 document. So here you can see the accrual account is credited and delivery charges is debited. Here you can see if I go here, here the document type we can customize. If you want the new document types to be triggered, we can also trigger this one. So here you can see the transaction code is also coming, and then we'll display the reversal document. Okay, so this is a reversal document. Here if you can see, okay, there is nothing to identify the reversal, whether this is a reversal or there is some key will be there to identify the reversal document. Change layout. So you can see here all the details of accruals, accrual account type, type and accrual object, and object type and sub object. Now we will see the accrual, the first transaction display accrual. So here it should show the values against the our accrual. So this is my purchasing document. Just click on execute. Okay, why? Yeah, so here you can see this is my purchasing document, and this is my line item, purchasing line item. The start life of this purchase order is 31/8/2024 and end life is 31/10. So it's showing as in process. Once the 31/10 has been executed, the period and activity it will show as finished. Now if you come down, here you can see item data. So here you have actual cost is 10,000 and planned cost is also 10,000. And then here you have total amount. So if you scroll down here, you can see the status here, the balance amount. So 31/8/2024 for this period the value should be 2000, and from 19 to 31/9 the value is 7000. For the 10th period it's showing total 10,000. Here you can see the delta amounts for first period 2000, and here 5000, and here 3000, total 10,000. Okay, so 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is delta amount and this is accumulated amount. And if you go to the postings, here you can see the against to this purchase order what is the postings has been happened till now. Here you can see the two documents has been posted. One is with normal and another one is a reversal and the first period of first day of next period. You can see here 19 2000 here, and then posted totals. Review and approval, so only 2000 has been reviewed and approved. So this is the entire concept of the purchase order accruals in SAP system. So this is the process, the step-by-step process. I hope you guys have a clear understanding about the purchase order accrual now. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.